Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for you. So let's start. A warm welcome to all my lovely viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. Get comfy because this video about to begin. A big hello to my audience. Amazing. Today we are talking about wooden shelf design ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I'm sure you will get amazing decorated ideas from this video. If you want to more home interior designs and shelf designs and home interior decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my home decor ideas at your home. So guys, today I am going to talk about home decor and how it plays a key role in society and creating a beautiful comfortable living space, whether you are looking to refresh your home or make it more beautiful. There are many ways to express your personal style and make sure your environment more enjoyable. Home decor is all about making your living space feel comfortable and stylish. You can use different colors, furniture, and accessories to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Simple things like plants. Thanks for watching. Thank thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So please guys, if you are new here, so you can please yeah, subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful. So guys, you have been asking for this video, and it's finally here. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. All right, without wasting any more time, so you can please try my videos and try my decoration ideas at your home. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want to see more home interior designs, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing home decoration ideas at your home. Today I am talking about home interior wall shelf design for your bedroom, for your living room, for your drawing room and all spaces. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So guys, I'm glad you're all here. Please add a comment in comment section. How do you like anything which can I upload on my YouTube channel? So guys, please take care of yourself and the people around you.